Hello everyone, very good evening and welcome to the BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive platform for all competitive exams. How are you guys? Now this is a GATE and ESE 2024 Fundamentals, Digital Electronics, Number System, and we are going to discuss some conceptual questions. But let me know that sound quality, picture quality, everything is fine. Yes guys. Let me know that sound quality, picture quality, everything is fine. Okay guys. Now, already we have discussed important topics from number system. Initially we have discussed binary number, then what octal and hexadecimal, addition, subtraction and so on. And then after that we have discussed what signed numbers, sign magnitude, sign 1's complement, sign 2's complement, error detecting code, error detecting and correcting code, that is what Hamming codes, right? And then after that we have discussed what BCD, binary coded decimal, 8421, 84 minus 2 minus 1, 2421, XS3 code, right? These are what some self-complementary code, non-self-complementary code, weighted code, unweighted code, and finally we have discussed what gray code. Okay, now this is the time to solve some conceptual questions, and tomorrow we have what quiz, guys. Tomorrow we have quiz. So new student, please go through that series and one by one you will get the command over the topics. So this is the fundamentals, because GATE is based on what conceptual questions. Okay, तो एक बार आप अपने फंडामेंटल्स क्लियर कर लेंगे, बेस अगर स्ट्रांग है तो आप सब्जेक्ट पे कमांड कर सकते हैं. तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं विदाउट एनी डिले. This is my small introduction. Myself Sanjay Rathi. I am an ex-IES and I have qualified and selected for engineering services exam. These are my ranks: 16 in ESE 2005 and 21 in ESE 2008. I worked as Deputy Director in Ministry of Power, and during my 22 years of teaching experience, I have trained around 1 lakh students for these competitive exams. तो आप भी आइए, अब देखते हैं जरा. और एग्जाम को बहुत हाई फाई मत बनाओ, एक एक स्टेप आगे बढ़ते जाइए. ऑटोमेटिकली आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कब आपका एग्जाम निकल जाएगा और आप टॉप रैंक अचीव कर लेंगे. तो उसके बारे में ज्यादा मत सोचिए, बस एक एक कदम आगे बढ़ते जाइए. ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. ये आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन है. टेक ए स्टेप टुवर्ड्स सक्सेस इन गेट. National Scholarship Test for GATE exam. Get up to 90% off on our program. Please note the date on 16th April at 12 PM. You can register here for this scholarship test. Remember, this is golden opportunity for you. You can join that course and you can start your journey with us. Systematic तरीके से आप अपनी तैयारी स्टार्ट कर दीजिए. क्विजेस दीजिए, टेस्ट सीरीज दीजिए. आप गेट में इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज में टॉप करेंगे. देन चलिए, ये पहला क्वेश्चन है आप लोगों के लिए. ये क्वेश्चन आया था 2006 में, इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन ब्रांच, 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द आंसर फॉर दिस? रंजीत, हाउ आर यू? नंदिता राज, कैसे हैं आप लोग सभी? गाइस प्लीज नाउ ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. अ नंबर n is stored in a 4-bit 2's complement representation s. So tomorrow we have Menti quiz guys from 9 to 10 PM. तो अपने फ्रेंड्स और ग्रुप सभी आ जाइएगा. मेंटी क्विज में क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे ऑन डिजिटल और नंबर सिस्टम. ओके, देन a number n is stored in a 4-bit 2's complement representation as A3, A2, A1, A0. It is copied into a 6-bit register, and after a few operations the final bit pattern is this one. Final bit pattern is A3, A3, A2, A1, A0, 1. The value of this bit pattern in 2's complement representation is given in terms of the original number. What was the original number? N, as. So which result is correct? 32A3 plus 2n plus 1, 32A3 minus 2n minus 1, 2n minus 1 and 2n plus 1, where n is the original number. So okay Ranjit, don't worry, right? You can watch that complete series. करीब करीब 10 सेशंस हुए हैं ऑन नंबर सिस्टम. यू कैन वॉच ऑल दो सेशन, यू विल गेट द आइडिया अबाउट दैट. देन टेल मी एवरीवन, व्हाट इज द आंसर हियर? ओके, Now, this is the number A3, A2, A1 and what? A0. This is number n. A3, A2, A1, A0. Now this is a 2's complement representation. We have no idea whether it is 1 or 0, it is whether negative number or positive number. This is general symbol is given. Now in one class already I have given, if suppose you want to, it is a 4-digit number, but you want to copy it in what 6-digit number, then you have to repeat the MSB. You have to repeat the MSB. So we are repeating the MSB A3, A3, and this is the A3, A2, A1, A0. Then the 4-digit number is converted into what? 6-digit number. You have to repeat the MSB. So remember that, for example, if the number is 0111, actually it is +7. So when we are repeating it 2 times, it is converted into 6-digit number and it will remain +7. Similarly, if the number is 1010, so since the MSB is 1, it is a negative number. How we can find the number? Find the 2's complement of this number. What is the 2's complement of this number? 0110. And actually it is -6. Actually it is -6 because it is 6 and this MSB is 1. It is a 2's complement representation. That's why it is a negative number. Now if I am repeating this MSB 111010, again it is -6. How? Since the MSB is 1, you have to find the 2's complement of this number. What is the 2's complement? 011000. What is the value? 6. And because this MSB is 1, you have to put the -6. Means when we want to increase the number of bits, then you have to repeat the MSB. Is there any doubt? I think this is clear. Now we are repeating the MSB. When we are repeating the A3 2 times, the number is converted from 4-digit to what? 6-digit. Okay. Second thing, but here we are having only 2 A3. So what about the last one? Now guys, after 6-digit, it is converted into A3, A3, A2, A1, A0 and 0. Means it is shifted here. First of all, it is shifted left. Now when any number is shifted left, for example, you have the number 4. You have the number, let 8. If 8 is multiplied with 2, it will become 16. 8 is multiplied with 2, it will become 16. So what is the 16? 16 is nothing but you have to shift it by 1 digit. Left shifted. So when any binary number is left shifted, right, then it is what? Multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 2. Means if this number is n, this is also n. But once it is shifted one place towards left, again this is a 6-bit number, but here we are adding the 0, means it is shifted left. So it will become 2n. It will become 2n. But at the last we are not having the 0. At the last we are having what? 1. Add 1 here. And that's why the final number will become A3, A3, A2, A1, A0, 1. And this is nothing but 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1. Now tell me which answer is correct. A, B, C or D. So first of all, the number will remain same. If we are repeating the MSB, n will remain n. 4-digit number is converted into 6-digit. When the 2's complement number is multiplied by 2, it is shifted left by 1 bit. Then add 1. At the end we are getting the 1. So this is the procedure. This is the procedure. Same n, 2 times of n, and then we are adding 1, and that's why this will become this number finally. That is, the answer is 2n plus 1. Okay, to answer, give me the answer in comments box. The answer is what? D. Answer for this particular question is D. Now next question. Next one. Okay, this is the easy question. Tell me what is the answer. 11001, 1001, 111001 corresponds to the 2's complement representation of which one of the following sets number? Following sets number. In a previous question already I have given you the hint. For example, watch this number 1001, because it is common in all this number 1001. Since this is the MSB is 1, it is a negative number. Then you have to find the 2's complement of this number. What is that? Everyone give me the answer in the comments box. When I am finding the 2's complement, it will become 1, it is 1, it is 1, and it is 0. And what is this? Minus 7. So 1001 in 2's complement is minus 7. So new student, how we can find the value? Sir, if it is shifted right, please tell what. If it is shifted right means it is divided by 2. Shifted right means it is divided by 2. You are asking one question that, suppose any number is, for example, this number is, what is the value of this number? 4. Okay, when I am shifting right means what? We are giving 1 0, extra 0 here. This is the 0, because shifted right means this will become, MSB will become 0, 1 0. This is shifted right. So what is the value here? 2. Again shifted right. It will become 1. What is this? Divided by 2, divided by 2. What is the 8? This is 8. Now similarly, what is 1100? 1100, it is 12. Tell me, shifted right, what is this? 6. Shifted right, 2, 3, sorry. That is the number. That is the number. I think now it is clear. I think now it is clear. If it is shifted again right, so if you have the decimal point, then it will become what? 1.1. What is the 1.1? This is 1 and this is 0.5. It is 1.5. 1.5 here. Or again you want to shift it. What is this? 0.5 plus 0.25. It is what? 0.75. So always it is divided by what? 2. And when it is left shifted multiplied by 2. Okay. Then, now what is the answer for this one? C. Alex Processed have given the right answer for this question. Because watch this, 1001, 1001, 1001 is common. Just simply we are repeating what? MSB. So 4-digit number, 5-digit number means add extra 1. Again it is minus 7. 6-digit number, repeat the MSB. Minus 7. This is the minus 7. And what is the answer? C. What is the answer? C for this particular question. So this type of not negative 6. Juhi, why you are giving the negative 6? Minus 7. The value is what? Minus 7. देखिए कैसे निकालना है? If it is a number, always remember any number, if the MSB is 1, this is the negative number. Then find the 2's complement. How we are finding the 2's complement? You can find the 1's complement of this number and add 1. This is called 2's complement. This is what? 7, minus 7. Or wait for the 1. First digit is 1, repeat it 1. And then find the 1's complement of this. What is the 1's complement of this? This is the way to find the 2's complement number. Again we are getting the 7. Okay. Juhi Kumari, now it is clear. It is not 6. It is what? 7. Now watch this diagram carefully. Watch this diagram carefully and tell me. If the input x3, x2, x1, x0 to the ROM means read-only memory. This is the read-only memory. What is written here? BCD to decimal decoder, and this is the used here. That is the BCD to what? Decimal decoder is connected here. We are giving the binary code here. This is the x3, x2, x1, x0. It is the MSB. It is the LSB. We are giving the BCD number here. Now guys, when we are giving the 0, 0, 0, 0, decoder means D0 will become 1. This is the D0. 1, 2, 3 and so on. D8 and D9. This is the 0 to what? 9. When we are giving the 0, 0, 0, 0, the 0 will become 1. The remaining will become 0. When I am giving the 0, 0, 0, 1, D1 will become 1. Remaining will become 0. Now, asterisk means, what is the meaning of the asterisk here? Try to understand what is the meaning of this asterisk here. Okay. the meaning of this asterisk is this point is connected here. This point is connected here. These 2 points are connected here. This point is connected here. Right? So this is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now tell me, the 8421 code is converted into which code? Gray code, 2421 BCD number, XS3 code, or none of these? None of this. Okay. तो किसमें convert हो रहा है? It is converted into. Now you have to watch this diagram very carefully. Try to understand. When I am giving the 0, when I am giving the 0 here, you are getting the 0, 0, 0, 0 at the output. Y3, Y2, Y1, Y. This is the 3, 2, 1, 0. Why 0, 0, 0? Because no one is connected here. Nothing is connected here. And that's why the output is 0, 0, 0, 0. When I am giving the 0, 0, 0, 1, only this D1 is highlighted and 1 is only connected to Y0 will become 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. When I am giving the 0, 0, 1, 0, 2 is highlighted, 2 is connected to Y1 only. 0, 0, 1, 0, again it is a 2. When I am giving the 3, 3 is connected to what? Y1 and Y0. 3. 4. 4. When I am giving the 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 4. 4 is highlighted and 4 is connected to what? Y2 only. This what? This. 4 is connected to Y2 only. 4. Now guys, try to understand. When I am giving the 5, this is up to what? 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are getting this answer. But after when I am giving the 5, what is the 5? 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. 5. 0, 1, 0, 1. What is this? 5 is connected to what? Y3, Y1 and Y0. Y3, Y1 and Y0. So we are getting the Y3, 1. Y2 is not connected, 0. Y1 is connected, Y0 is connected. In which code it is 5? In which code it is 5? 2421 code it is 5. Watch this. 2421 code. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Similarly, you can check what 6. When we are giving the 0, 1, 1, 0, 6. 6 is highlighted. 6 is connected to what? Y3 and Y2. When we are giving the 6, 0, 1, 1, 0, what will be the output? 1, 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 0. For 6, we are getting the 1, 1, 0, 0. Nandita Raj, if it is XS3 code, then what is the code for the 6? 9. 6 plus 3, 9. But here we are not getting the 9, 1, 0, 0, 1. We are getting 1, 1, 0, 0. And which option will satisfy? 2421 code. 2 plus 4 is what? 6. And remember, 1, 1, 0, 0 is the self-complementary code for what? 3. What is the code for 3? 0, 0, 1, 1. When we are making the self-complementary code, it will become 1, 1, 0, 0. So actually it is a self-complementary code. Now you can check. Same you can check for 7. What is the for 7? It will become 1, 1, 0, 1. For 7, 1, 1, 0, 1. This is what? 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 1, 7. And this is the self-complementary code or noise complement of what? 2. What's this 2? Watch this 2. 0, 0, 1, 0. What is the complement of that 1, 1, 0, 1? This is the self-complementary code. So, new student, remember the 2421 code. This is the self-complementary code, means first of all write the 0, second write the 1, third write the 2, fourth write 3, then 4. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that, if you want to write the 5, it is the ones complement of this number 1, 0, 1, 1. After you want write, then find the ones complement of this 1, 1, 0, 0. Then write the ones complement of this. Automatically you will get the 7. Ones complement of 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is 8. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. And what is the 9? The ones complement of 0. 1 1 1 1, and that is called what? 9, and this is called self complementary code. We can directly getting the 9's complement of this number. What is the 9's complement of 7? 9 minus 2, that is the 9 minus 7, that is what? 2. Simply get the 1's complement of 7, you will get the code for what? 2. That's why it is called self complementary code. So here in my series already I have explained, you can go through that. Now next one. The binary representation of the decimal number 1.375 is very, very easy question. What is the answer for this question? Very, very easy one. Which answer is correct? Always remember, if it is 1 written, 1 means what? 2 to the power 0. And this is 1. 0.375. Definitely it will be 0, because what is the position of this weight? Position of this weight is 1. Position of this weight is 0.5. Position of this weight is 0.25. Position of this weight is what? 0.125. So 0.25 plus 0.125 is what? 0.375, and that's why directly you can write this is 0, this is 1, this is 1. So 1.011. 1.011. So sometimes in a other exam, not in a GATE exam, but in a other competitive exams, they may ask similar simple question, or in a combinational circuit when we have to design something, then quick calculation is required. This is the value. Okay, fast, give me the answer. Is the signed magnitude representation of which integer number in decimal? Signed magnitude representation of which integer number in decimal? Simple, signed magnitude. We are having a 3 representation. Out of these 3, 1 representation. Tell me what is the answer. And tomorrow we have the Menti quiz. So every student please join that from 9 to what? 10 p.m. tomorrow on the same time. Syllabus is what? Number system. And combinational circuit related to what? Number system. Combinational circuit related to what? Number system, like what? Code converter. Like what? That is the similar question on ROM, read only memory. We have solved one question. Binary 8421 to what? 2421 code detector. Already we have solved. Now, so this is the tomorrow. Ask your friend to join that session. Now guys, sign magnitude. In sign magnitude representation, first bit always represent the sign, MSB. This is the sign. And that is 0. 0 means positive. And that's why these are not the answer. 87 or 55. Now tell me how many bits are here? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Then it is MCQ. What is the weight of this? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and what? 64. So definitely it is not 55 because it is 64 plus something. So it is not the answer. What is the answer? C. No need to check. No need to check because already it is positive. It is greater than what? 55. Again you can check. 64 plus 16 is what? 80. 80 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is what? 7. 80 plus 7 is what? 87. But no need to check. MCQ, one answer is correct. Directly you can give the answer for this question. 87. So sign magnitude means one bit will give you the sign, MSB will give you the sign, and the remaining bit will give you the magnitude. Remaining bit will give you the magnitude. Okay. Then next one. The 2's complement representation of minus 53910 in hexadecimal. 2's complement representation of minus 539 base 10 in hexadecimal is. Suppose I want to represent it in what? Hexadecimal number. 2's complement representation of the minus 539 10 in hexadecimal. Just give me one answer. Try to solve this question, okay? New student, please try to solve this question. If I want to increase the bit representation of this sign magnitude number, then Nandita and Prati and Julie, tell me We have to increase what MSB. If suppose I am going to repeat the MSB, then it will work. Tell me. Suppose it is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Actually, what is this? 9. It is what? Plus 9. If now I want to repeat, I want to increase the digit. It is a 5-digit number. Now I want to make it what? 6-digit. I will add 1 0. Yes, it is plus 9. No problem. Again I will repeat 1 0. It has become 7-bit number. Again it is plus 9. No problem. But what is the minus 9? Minus 9 is 1 1 0 0 1. Tell me, if suppose it is a minus 9. Now it is a 5-digit number. If I want to increase it what? 6-digit. Then if suppose I am repeating it, if suppose I am repeating the 1 here, what is the rule? First bit will give you the sign and the remaining bit will give you what? Magnitude. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 16 plus 9, it is a 25 actually. You are getting the wrong answer. You are getting the wrong answer. If suppose you are repeating the 0, again it will not work. The number way is negative, it will become positive. Number it is what? So that means what? Just I want to say that method will not work. That is the method for what? 2's complement, where we have to repeat the MSB. We have to repeat what? MSB. Then finally, then what will happen? If suppose the sign bit, then you have to maintain this sign bit, and if suppose you want to make it what? 6-digit, you have to change the magnitude only. This will remain same. This is the negative minus 9. Again, sign bit as it is, put extra 0 here. Again it is a minus 9 and so on. If it is positive number, then again sign bit will remain same. You can add extra 0 here. It will remain same. It will remain same. Okay. Now, minus 539 in hexadecimal. 2's complement representation of 539 in hexadecimal. First of all, always remember 539 in 2's complement. If you want to represent it, then convert it into what? Binary. Then to represent the 539, how many bit is required? To represent the 539, how many bit is required? 9 bit is required. 9 bit is required. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the weight? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128 and 256. Right? Or 10 bit is required. Because when we are giving the 9 bit, only 512, means 10 bit is required. 512. Sorry, 12 bit, 10 bit is required. This is 1, 0. Because 512, 64, again it is 4, 0. 512 and plus 16, 28, right? 28 plus 8, 36, 0, 1, 1. And this is the 539. This is the 539. But this is the representation. 1 extra bit is required to give the sign. So this is a positive number. Positive 539. Positive 539. Now convert, because it is a negative number, get the 2's complement of this number. What is the 2's complement of this number? This one will remain same. This will become 0. This will become 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Then 4, because we have to convert it into hexadecimal. 4. What is this? 5. 1, 1, 1. It is E, because it is a 14. 14 is what? E, and this is 5. We are reading some answer, or there is some calculation mistake, everyone? Tell me, where is the mistake? Means method is what? First of all, write down the 539. This is the 512. Then this is the 512 plus what? 16, that is the 528. 536, 539, yes. Then find the 2's complement of this number, because it is a positive number, put 0 here. Then 2's complement means what? This is 1, this will 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, no problem. And then this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, and so on. Then you can find like this. Okay. There may be some issue, but in options, or you can check my calculation. That method is clear, guys. This method is clear. Means first of all, find the binary equivalent of this. Then directly you can represent in the positive number. This is the positive number. Then if it is normally we are representing like that, simple number, simple positive number. Then find the 2's complement representation. If it is this number is what? Negative. Automatically the MSB will become what? 1 here. Automatically the MSB will become 1 here. Now, there is a one problem. What is the silly mistake? Can you tell me what is the silly mistake here? If I want, suppose I am writing this answer. Suppose I am writing this answer 5E5. What will the user will do? User will convert it into what? 101. And then what is the E? 1111, 1110, and what is this? 5, 1001. 0, 1, 0, 1. Guys, when user will convert this number according to the MSB, it is become positive number. According to the MSB, it will become positive number, but actually it is what? Negative number. So if you want to make it what? Hexadecimal, so you are getting number 101, 1110, 0101. For example, if it is the 2's complement representation, now you have to put what? Extra 1 here. Extra 1 here, so that the number will remain negative. This is 5. Now this is E. This is 5. And what is 1101? 13. And what is the 13? D. What is the answer for this question? DE5. DE5. Which answer is correct? C. आया समझ में? तो देखिए, रात को 10 बज रही है, किसी से भी सिली मिस्टेक्स हो जाएगी. सिंपल सा. अब देखिए, why सिंपल. मैं आपको एक मेथड बता रहा था. कैसे पता चला there is a mistake? Everyone tell me. Nandita and so on. Because that answer 5E5 was not in what? Options. Was not in what? Options. Okay, and that's why we have again checked what is the problem, and there is some silly mistakes. That is what? Simple silly mistake. That is not a conceptual mistake. Silly mistakes. Okay. Then guys, simply we have verified, and then finally we getting the answer. But suppose it is a filling the blanks. Then filling the blanks during exam, कोई भी नहीं होगा इन्फॉर्म करने के लिए. गलत हो गया मतलब गया, आप सीधा आंसर फिल करके आ जाएंगे. And that is the wrong answer. But there will be no negative marking. You are going to get the 0 marks. There will be no negative marking. Or suppose the option A is what? 5E5. Then you will give the option A. Right. Because there is a 4 option and one option is 5E5. Then again you will lose marks because there will be the negative marking in case of MCQ. Okay then. Next one. The complementary coded decimal code for the decimal 325 is complementary coded decimal, CCD. It is a new word, complementary coded decimal. JC, your answer is correct. Okay. Now, क्या हुआ सर? नंदिता बोल रहे हैं रिपीट कीजिए. रिपीट मीन्स व्हाट इन दिस क्वेश्चन? देखो, ओके मैं रिपीट कर देता हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 539. 539, it is what already you have the range, guys. Again I am giving you another method. For a range, suppose you are having n number of bits, 10 number of bits. Then what is the range of the number? 2 to the power n minus 1 to what? 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. Yes or no? Then it will become minus 9. 512 to what? Minus 512 to what? 511 only. That is the range. But actually what is the number? 539. So you have to choose what? N is equal to 11 bits. When we are choosing the 11 bit, it will become 2 to the power 11 minus 1 to what? 2 to the power 11 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, then it will become what? 512. This is the 11 minus 1, it will become 10. 1024 to what? 1023. Now that is the range of the number, and 539 can be represented by this number. First of all, 11 bits are required. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then write the number 512, right? And this number 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256 and 512. Okay. Then what is the 539? First of all, write 512, but we have one extra bit for sign. This will become 1, 1, right? So 528 plus 8, 0, 1, 1. This is the 539 with 0. So 0 means what? It is a positive number. Now find the 2's complement of this number. Right? 0, 1. Okay. We are getting the right number. It is representation. But when we want to, we have to make the pair of 4. Convert it into what? Hexadecimal. So what is the insignificant number? Normally we are putting the 0, but what is the insignificant, so that the value will not change? It is not 0. We have to repeat the MSB. Repeat the MSB. So when we are making the pair of 4, this number n and this is also n. There is no change. These two numbers are same. We have to increase the digit. That's why we are repeating the extra bit here. This is the positive number. This is the negative number. We are repeating the MSB. Then make the pair of 4. This is become DE5. Okay. Now it is clear. Complement the number. Yes. CCD means complementary coded decimal, means first of all find the binary coded decimal and then find the complement of this. What is the 325? What is the binary coded decimal? 0, 0, 1, 1 for 3, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0 for 5, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is 5. Now find the complement of this. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is the 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. And this is the C is the answer. C is the answer for this particular question. That is called CCD. Now, give an answer. The two numbers represented in the sign 2's complement form P and Q. If the Q is subtracted from the P, the value obtained in sign 2's complement form is. Sign 2's complement form is. Subtraction. Subtraction means Q is subtracted from the P. P minus Q. P minus Q. What is the method? You have to find the 2's complement of what? Q. Then what is the P here? 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. And Q is subtracted here. Find the 2's complement of the Q. This is the Q. What is the 2's complement of this? This remains 0. This remains 1. And find the 1's complement of this number. It is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Add these two numbers. 1, 1, 0, carry 1, 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 1, 1, 0, carry 1. If you are getting the carry, discard the carry. Discard the carry. Okay, and that is the number. Now, can you verify it? For example, what is the actually P? What is the P? If the MSB is 1, it is a negative number. So, what is the P minus? What is the 1's complement? 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0. What is this number? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. This is minus 19. What is the Q here? Q is also a negative number. Q is also a negative number. Find the 2's complement of this. 0, 1, 0, 1. Now 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Now this is what? 16. This is 8. And that is what? 2. This is the 16 plus 8, 24 plus 2, 26. But it is a negative number. Now guys, tell me, minus 19 minus of minus what? 26. What is the result? Minus 19 minus of minus 26, minus 19 plus 26, and it will become what? Plus 7. So we are getting the answer plus 7 directly. We are using the method. We are using the 2's complement method here. Once you will get the carry, discard the carry, and that is the result. Which result is correct? B. B is the correct answer for this particular question. Okay, this type of questions. Now it is time to find the base of the number, base of some equations. Give me the answer for this one. Tell me. The base of the number system for the addition operation. 24 plus 14 is equal to 41. 24 plus 14 is equal to 41 to B. Which answer is correct? 8, 7, 6 or 5? This is an easy question. What is the base for this addition? Because 24 plus 14 is what? 38 in case of decimal. 38 in case of decimal. But what is the answer given? 41 it is given. 41 it is given. Means more than that. Definitely the base is less than 10. Base is, all answers are less than 10. Tell me. In that case, what we are doing, let the base is what? X. Base is X. Then you can write 24 base X plus 14 base X is equal to 41 base X. 24 base X means 2X plus what? 4. X into 1 plus 4, because always remember what is the weight here? X to the power 1, X to the power 0. X to the power 1, X to the power 0. And what is this? 4X plus 1. 4X plus 1. 2 plus X is equal to 3X. 2 plus X, 3X. 4 plus 4, 8. 4X plus 1. Now 8 minus 1, that is equal to 4X minus 3X. And what is the X is equal to 7. X, how many students have given the B option? Pratim. Yes, your answer is correct. That is what is the answer for this type of question? 7. This is the answer is what? 7. So sometimes we are having the question on the base, right? And you have to find a number. Now finally, if I want to multiply this number, multiplication, what is the result of this? 1011 is multiplied with 101, and this is number is divided by 101. This number is divided by 101. So normally what we are doing, multiplication means what? Directly, first of all, normally in a GATE exam, in other exam, but it is used for what? Programming only. For example, you want to make some program on what? 8085 or some program is given in a C language, because computer organization and architecture in your syllabus, then you can find. Then 1011 into 101. So you are will simply find the 5. And what is this? 1011 is what? 11. 11 into 5 is what? 55. And the 55 is represented by what? 6 bit. Yes, 6 bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. It will become 32 plus 16, 48. 48 plus 4, 52. 54, 55. This is the 55. And that will be the result. Directly you can say. But if you really want to multiply it, there is a one method. First of all, multiply this one with this. So you will get the 1011 cross. Normally we are using this method. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, double cross. Then again one is multiplied 1, 1, 0, 1. Then this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, 110 carry 1 again 1. This is the answer. We are getting the same answer. Yes, 110 111 that is the multiplication. That is what very simple multiplication of these number. Nandita Raj, 8 is the answer for which question? Tell me. Now, I think now this is clear. This point is clear, guys. 1011 when it is multiplied, and that is the division. Division is assignment for you. Try to divide it number. You can divide it, but directly you can find the value that this is the 5, this is the number, divide it, and then you can convert it into binary. But what is the actual method? Right? You can. This is simple multiplication. We are making the programming in what 8085 to how we can multiply this number with that number. That is useful for programming only, because we have to set what some algorithm. Okay then. Then this is the solution to the quadratic equation x square minus 11x plus 22 is what? X is equal to 3 and x is equal to 6. What is the base of the number? What is the base of the number? Tell me. Now tell me what is the base. And that is the question from what? Morris Mano, standard textbook. What is the question? X square minus 11x plus what? 22. That this is the 0. So already x is given to you, and what are the solution? X is equal to 3 and x is equal to 6. Okay. Let base is y. Definitely if the solution is 3 and 6, then definitely the base will be what? More than that. 3 or 6 means what? Base will be definitely more than what? 6. Then if the base is y, so when I am writing the x square minus 11x plus 22, so first of all put that value, and then what is the value here? It will become, this is x square, okay, no problem, minus 11. How we can write the 11 here? Y to the power 1, y to the power 0. So what is the 11 here? Y plus 1 into x. What is the 22? Y to the power 1, y to the power 0. It will become 2 plus 2y. 2y 0. 2y plus 2. And that is equal to what? 0. Now, x square minus, find the value of the y. This is the equation 0. Put the value here. First of all, put the value 6 here or 3 here. X square 636 minus y plus 1 into what? 6 plus, you can take 2 as a common, y plus 1 is equal to what? 0. Now you can write, this is the 6y plus 1, this is the 2y plus 1, it will become 4y plus 1 is equal to what? 0. Now 4 times of y plus 1 is equal to 36. Y plus 1 is equal to 36 divided by 4, that is the 9. So what is the y is equal to 9 minus 1, that is the 8. That is what? 8. Okay. To put the value here, convert 22 in terms of base y, convert 11 in terms of base y, then put the value of the x, that is the solution. You can put 3 or you can put the 6, then find the value of the y, because we are choosing the let the base is what? Y. We are converting the 11, we are converting the 22, and we are getting the answer for this particular question. So this type of questions, at the end I want to say that which topics are important. Tomorrow we will discuss some more important questions on that. Okay. So before that, which topics are important, guys? Okay. Number system already I have discussed. This is a very basic thing. In first class I have discussed binary, octal, hexadecimal. Get the command over all this so that it will help you design the circuit. Then conversion, after that 2's complement number, 1's complement, sign magnitude, then all the BCDs mean 8421, XS3, 2421, right? All the BCDs code, and then finally gray code, gray to binary, binary to gray, addition, subtraction, normally this type of questions. Okay then, so I hope so you have enjoyed the session, everyone. So this is guys ESE Mains 2023, a practice course, comprehensive coverage for complete preparation, right? So classes is going on, control system is going on, and now after that we will start with what, analog, right? And here we are discussing what, important derivations, important questions, how to write the answer in engineering services mains. तो 25th जून को है आपका पेपर. तो CPT means what, conventional paper test, evaluation by expert faculty, live conventional practice classes and live doubt sessions. कॉपी आपको चेक होकर मिलेगी, आपने कॉपी दी और आपके आंसर अगर आपने मेल किया तो आपकी कॉपी चेक होगी, फीडबैक आपको दिया जाएगा कि आपने कैसा आंसर लिखा है और कैसे इंप्रूव करना चाहिए. तो पूरे एक्सपीरियंस का फायदा लीजिए. हाईली एक्सपर्ट फैकल्टीज है यहाँ पर और मैं भी हूँ. और मैंने क्या अपने इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज एग्जाम को कैसे क्रैक किया, मेंस का क्या रोल होता है, तब आपको पता चलेगा. तो किसी भी आपके फ्रेंड ने अगर इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज प्री निकाला है तो उनको बताइए. देखो एक टिप भी होगी ना छोटी सी, तो एग्जाम में वो काम करेगी कि मेंस में हम कैसे परफॉर्म करते हैं. सभी आंसर सही निकालेंगे लेकिन आपका प्रेजेंटेशन कैसा है वो मैटर करेगा. तो मेंस बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है आपके सिलेक्शन में. तो यू कैन ज्वाइन दैट फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, कोई भी आपको चार्जेस नहीं देना है, आप इसे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. ओके देन, and this is our result last year. 62 students under, right, 50 and 13 under 10 and 107 under 100, and these are our results. Then finally, thank you for attending the session. You are on BYJU'S Exam Prep. Like the session, share the link of this session and subscribe our channel. और तैयार हो जाइए अपने साथ में, कल होने वाला है मेंटी क्विज ऑन नंबर सिस्टम. तो जो नए स्टूडेंट है पूरे नंबर सिस्टम को रिवाइज कर लीजिए. मेरे सेशन आप देख सकते हैं, एक बार कमेंट कीजिए और कल क्विज में पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए. ओके, थैंक यू एंड गुड नाइट.